Hello guys, how are you today? I'm Teacher Fee and I'm here today to show you a present we got. Little bunnies, are you working already? Those bunnies are working already? I see. So, we are here because Teacher Feforyou got a delicious present and I want to share with you. Do you want to see? Let me show you. Look. Delicious present from D'Água na Boca Doces, and it's something that we can eat, and it's from Easter time, and it comes from the bunnies. And bunnies, tell me, what's inside of here? Do you know? Do you know what's in here? You want to see? So, come with me. Come with me. Hello, everybody. Okay, guys. So now we are going to unbox this delicious present. Do you want to see? I'm so excited to do this. Bunnies! Oh my God! What did you prepare, bunnies? D'Água na Boca, thank you. I'm in love. I love it because I can see it inside. Oh my God! Are you ready? Okay, so this is like round and black, and when we eat we go like, what do you think is inside? Bunnies? They prepare. Yes, they prepare. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Cha 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 cha. Oh my God! Look, the box is beautiful. Look, the box is beautiful. I love it. I love it because it's yellow and I love yellow. You guys know I love yellow. So, D'Água na Boca, thank you. The box is beautiful. And inside, are you ready, bunnies? Oh, there's a little bunny here too. Okay, D'Água na Boca. Look. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Alrighty. So let's put this in here. There you go. Can you see it? Yes. Okay. So we are going to open this. I'm gonna go closer to you like this so you can see it better. Come closer to me. Come. Oh.
Look. How about... Look. This is good.
Okay. So we are ready to prepare our own delicious Easter egg. Okay, so should I take all of this out? No. Okay. So this is a spoon. I'm gonna leave it here. Then here we have chocolate. Look. And then we have some decorations. And we have our little egg. Okay, guys, so I am cleaning up my hand. I have washed it already, so don't worry about it. everybody knows that we need really to take care of ourselves. So, are you ready? Delicious, delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so here we have, oh my God, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at you. Wait a second, I am going to put you up. Oh, guys, no, really, look at me, look at me, look at me. Let me put you like this because really, I want you to look at me. Oh, guys, I need you to look at me, really, because, my God. Look. Oh my God. This is amazing. I love it. You know what this is? I'm gonna die. No, really, really. This is brigadeiro. Oh my God. Really. Oh my God. Are you ready? Okay, so here we have my egg. Oh my God. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. Oh, I've never done something like that. Never. Really, really never. And then, oh, I'm gonna die. Oh my God. And then we have to put everything inside, okay? Oh. Okay. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Let me put this here. Oh, hi. I don't even know how to do this because this is I wanna eat. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so I'm going to put this like inside already. Then I'll put some more. Okay. Ready, steady, delicious, go. Okay, now let's put some more chocolate and more chocolate, and then we are going to open this. Let me see. This is good. And then a little bit of this. Can you imagine? Like making your own chocolate egg? Can you imagine? Ain't that amazing? I love it. Let's put some more of this. I really like this. I love colors. Good. And then you get this egg. Look how my egg looks. Now I am going to eat it. Bunnies, are you ready? Do you want that? No, this is only mine. And I am going to eat. Oh my God. Guys, oh my god. This is amazing. Really. Now, tell me something. Would you like one of this? Yes, I know. I know you would love one of this. This is amazing. And look what we can do. Choo, choo, choo. I'm gonna write Teacher Fe here. Look. Da, 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 da. Do I write only Fe or Teacher Fe? No, only Fe. Only Fe. Do you think I can do that? Oh. Then. Aha! Wow. Look. Oh. Then we are going to put like some happy 2 eyes. Here is Fe, right? And then a tongue. Look! Ah! I love it. Look. Wait, I'm turning. I know. Wait. Ah, I can't. Okay. I'm gonna put you here, close to me. Look. Oh my god. I'm full of chocolate. Okay. Now look. Delicious. Look. Now you can see. Now can you see? Can you see? Ah, it's not perfect, but it's good. Come on. I think it's very nice. And this is my delicious chocolate egg. Yum. Okay, so now look at me. Guys, look at me. You have to look at me. Guys, look at me. Really. Now I have to go to the gym because I really need to lose some weight because this is so delicious. I'm gonna eat it all, really. And this is almost done. And what do you think? I'm gonna leave it here? No! I'm gonna put all inside my belly. Of course. Bunnies, are you ready to eat it all? Oh my god, I'm so ready. Okay guys, so don't forget, this Easter, you have to decorate your own egg. And if you want to get this one, that is from D'Água na Boca Doces, which is absolutely delicious, then you prepare yourself, go to Instagram, and don't forget, you need to subscribe. Because if you don't subscribe, then you're not going to get this egg. Yes, you need to subscribe. And then go to Instagram, and there's some little things that you have to do, and some people you need to follow, like teacherfeforyou, like D'Água na Boca Doces, yum. And then maybe this egg is gonna go to you. Well, not this, because this is gonna go to my belly. Yes. Well, you know, a box just like this is gonna go to your house. You want it? Yes? Okay, so look, pay attention what I'm gonna tell you now. Just to finish up what we are talking about. This is a book. Remember, I like books? Yes, I like books. So at night after you decorate your own egg and then you ate your egg and it's delicious and your belly is like full, and then you lay down and you want to go to sleep, and then you're going to read a book, right? A book to sleep. So this is illustrated by Lisa McHugh. And it's called Time for Bed from Studio, Fun Studio, okay? Time for Bed. Oh, let me take this up. Time for Bed, okay? And it's very cute because when you open, you can find some things, look. Oh, it's so cute. And you also count from like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bunnies. Look, the bunnies. Look. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So, and it's a very fun book. I hope you like it. Guys, of course, I'll always give you a book to read because I love reading. And don't forget, Easter time is coming and we want delicious chocolate eggs, and we want to be good so we can get a lot of chocolate eggs, and of course we want to have this chocolate egg which is absolutely delicious. Okay, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and come back next time. I will see you.